Hey, it's Tucker with Simply Roofing, and today we're going to be replacing some pipe boots, the simple way. A few reasons you might need to replace your pipe boots is dry rotting, storm damage, or like this customer, animals trying to chew their way in. The first thing we'll want to do is loosen the surrounding shingles so we can remove the existing boot without damaging the shingles. After you get the boot off, you'll want to pull up or beat down any high nails, and then you'll want to turn the boot sideways and slide it down at an angle. Once you get the side of the boot underneath the shingles, you'll be able to twist it in position. Once the boot is in place, you'll secure the boot and the shingles and finish it off with a generous bead of caulk. We hope you found this information helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe, and any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Thanks.